Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to indent bullet point in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs app. Then firstly, select the text, and you can see here are first line indent of menu name, right. You can move indent bullet point right, left, now here we can see indent bullet point in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.